cause you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today's video is a collaboration with Omoni Curls. I'll put her YouTube link up here and in the description box down below, so you can go subscribe to her channel. Okay, her channel is about hair, wigs, braided wigs, so make sure you support her, subscribe to her channel, and also remember to subscribe to this one as well. So she'll also create one of my tutorials on her channel, so also make sure you go watch it. Okay, you can get this hat from shana.co.ke. I'll try to find an Amazon link or AliExpress link for you as well. I got this hair from these braids from Base Ladies. Yeah, so let's get into the tutorial. So what you need for this tutorial is a hat. You can use any other color, but I wanted mine to be like hers. You also need braids. I'm going to use 960, that is white and maroon. So the next step is to turn the cap inside out because you're going to braid the hair inside the cap.
Inside to stay quiet, gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done.
There's so many ways in which you can make this braided hat. So the first one is to do the braids and sew them on the hat. After you make your braids, go ahead and sew them on the hat. So you're supposed to sew them on this black part. This black part is not elastic, so even when you sew the braids on it, it won't like reduce the size of the hat. Another method is to sew a weave on the hat and then braid it. I wanted to use this method because it was my favorite, but then I didn't use it because I have maroon and white braids. So I felt like it was going to be so many colors, like black, maroon, and white. So I didn't use this method, but it was my favorite. So she has like 3 different ways in which you can make this hat. I decided to crochet the hair on the cap and braid them. So I split my hair into as many pieces as I wanted and crochet them on the cap and braided them. And some pieces I decided to sew the hair and braid them. So you can use whichever method that you prefer. The easiest. Yeah.
Be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning.
So once you're done braiding, you can cut the flyaways to make the braids neater, or you can burn them. I always prefer burning them, but then be careful, especially when it's braid, it's synthetic, you might burn the hair.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, we're toe to toe. We're always on the road. We're so better. We can't stop, we can't stop. Us together, we're better off. And we can. Better off, better off. Better off.
I washed my hair, so I'm just going to wear this hat on top of this. Yeah. Or you can wear stockings or a cap.
Eyes are shut.
Here's a braided hat. And I decided to add 2 combs on the sides just in case I want to use them and make it more secure on my head. The other thing I noticed, don't braid the hair like up here on top when you turn the cap inside out. Sew them here so that when you wear it, the braids are here and not here. Because with this style, with this, the way I've sewn, the way I've braided, someone might see the cap. So let's just try it on. I'm inserting the combs in my hair and this side as well, there, so that even when I move, like, it can't fall like that. So what I did, I inserted the beads and then I tied some knots at the end of all the braids, and then you're supposed to burn the ends so that they don't unravel. Light your candle like that, and then you burn the ends. Let me just show you, like this. You must do that, because if you don't, they might unravel. If you haven't cut the ends, that is okay, you don't have to burn. But if you've cut the ends, you have to burn. I didn't want to add more accessories on this because, like, it's already white and maroon, so if I added like some beads here, I don't think it will look good. So guys, just comment below if you love this color. Yeah. So that was it for today, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Omoni's Got Curls channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to this one as well if you haven't already. So that was it for today. See you in my next video. Bye.